Now you can open Finder on your Samsung Galaxy phone from any screen. Whether you're on the home screen or the apps screen, just swipe down. This simple trick will help you quickly find anything you need, no matter where you are. So let's get started with the process. First, open your Galaxy Store app. Once you're in it, find the Good Lock app, and if you don't have it, install it. After you finish the installation, tap the Open button to directly enter the Good Lock app. When you're in the Good Lock app, in the Makeup section, scroll down and look for a module called Home Up. Once you find it, tap the download icon. After doing that, wait a few moments for the module to download and install. Once the installation is complete, go back to the top, and there you will see the module you installed. If you want to add it to the home screen, tap the More option on the right side, and then in the menu that appears, select Add to Home Screen. Now tap on the Home Up module. Next, tap the Start button, and then in the pop-up window, tap Allow All. When the Home Up module opens, tap the switch to enable it. Right after that, you'll see several options. Select the Home Screen option. Then, when you're on the Home Screen Settings page in the Scroll section, you will see the Finder Access option. Tap it, and in the menu that appears, you will see two options, Home Screen and App Screen. You can choose only one option, but you can also enable both, so you can open Finder both on the home screen and the app screen. After that, go to the home screen or app screen and swipe down on any part of the screen, and you'll see Finder opening, allowing you to quickly search through apps, contacts, documents, and other items on your phone. This simple swipe now allows you to instantly find everything you need, whether you're on the home screen or the app screen. And that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you very soon, and thank you so much for watching.